Welcome to a Glaass tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and deactivate users in Glaass. Users in Glaass are the authorized people who can access the project's information. In order to add, edit, or deactivate a user, you must be an administrator. To add a user, click the multipurpose button, or alternatively, right-click in the middle column and select New User. Then enter in the user's email address. Once you've entered in their email address, click Add in the toolbar. If they are a new Glaass user, you'll need to fill in their contact details, such as their first name, last name, company, position, and phone. Once you have entered in their contact details, you'll need to select their user type. You can choose between read-only, standard user, and administrator. To learn more about the user types, you can click on the question mark to bring up a tutorial, or alternatively, you can watch a video tutorial about the user types and permissions. Next, you'll need to select their permissions, either granting folder controller permission, document controller permission, and managerial permission. Next, you can toggle on or off what cases and templates are viewable to the user that you're adding. So for example, if you don't want them to view nonconformity reports, or correspondence, or environmental inspections, you can toggle those off. Once everything has been set, click Add in the toolbar. Once the user has been added, they will appear as a pending user. A pending user has not created a password or signed into Glaass. These users have 21 days to create a password and sign in. If you've made a mistake in any of their contact details, such as their name, email address, position, or phone number, you can change those and then click Update in the toolbar. If the user has not signed in within the 21 days timeframe, you can also resend their password and they will receive a new email entitled Welcome to Glaass. You can't edit the contact details of an active user, a user who has already signed into the project. However, administrators can change their user types and can change their permissions at any stage during the project. If a user has left the project, administrators can deactivate those users so that they no longer have access to the project. If for whatever reason those users need to be added again, administrators can reactivate those users so that they can re-access the project's information. Administrators can also export a list of the project's users. To do this, click the project name in the menu bar and then scroll down to the project data section. And next to the active users, you'll see a button that says Export List of Users. The Excel spreadsheet will show the total number of users, activated users, pending users, and deactivated users. Administrators can also filter the spreadsheet to see which portion of users are activated, pending, and they can also see their contact details as well as their user types and also their permissions, which are toggled on and toggled off. Scrolling to the side of the spreadsheet, we can see the templates and cases that each of the users has access to in the project. That was a step-by-step guide on how to add, edit, and deactivate users in Glaass. Remember, users are the authorized people who can access the project. Only administrators can add, edit, deactivate, and reactivate users. Administrators can edit pending users' details, their user type, and permissions. Administrators can edit active users' user types and permissions, but not their details. Administrators can Excel export a list of the project users to see all of the users on the project, their user types, permissions, and viewable cases and templates. That was a step-by-step guide on how to add, edit, and deactivate users in Glaass. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.